What up, YouTube? I just decided, to make a quick video on what I'm doing today. Today, what I'm doing is I'm replacing the stock green ugly lights for some LEDs. There you go, nice and bright. Yeah, this works for mostly any to older, like 90s Toyotas. I think early, even 80s World War II, that have these type of layout, My 400 has the digital one, so this might not work with, but it's still, easy step to do with either bottles, but just go ahead and replace that. But yeah, I just had to do it. I'm also gonna get one from the junkyard because that one's about to break fully. But I'll put this back just to see how it looks. I should have done this like at night, so it would have displayed, but I'm sure with the LED you'll be able to see the difference. So what you want to do is I went ahead and already take everything down. Kind of clean the area a little bit too. It's kind of dusty in here because trapped dust in here. Just a little bit. So yeah, what you want to do, you want to clip this back to how it was. Make sure it was this way. So you go ahead and place it there. And then hopefully it closes because the LED is a little longer. So hopefully that's not an issue. Okay. Let me go ahead and put you guys down for a second because I need to clip it. You need like 2 fingers to kind of like take off the clip from the back a little bit. There's a clip in the back, so you kind of have to move the clip and then place this and then, type thing. There we go. So, sorry about that, guys. Let me see how you guys look now. So, that looks good now. So, we go ahead and place back this unit. Oh, yeah. I love the way that looks. You guys, you can't really tell, but it looks a lot better. So yeah, that quick, I'll make another video at night. So kind of display this at night. I think at night will look a lot better. And then my next thing is to replace those green ones also out of there for some LEDs just like this one. And then probably in the future I'll put a double din stereo. But yeah, watch you afterwards that. You can go ahead and put your stereo back. It's like 4 clips, so I was gonna show you that, but yeah, it's easy. All you do is put these back 4 clips on there. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, and I'll catch you guys later on the video. But yeah, stay tuned. I'll probably make another video at night, kind of show you how it looks. But I like how they look now. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.